Hello guys! So there's a lot of tutorials about how to create different threads, nuts, bolts and so on, and some of them is good, some of them is not, but usually I find that most of them using booleans, so you need to clean your topology after this operation, or they just twisting around the cylinder your geometry, and then your topology is also twisted, and in some cases it's not so good. So here's my way how to create nice, clean, even and straight topology. Let's begin. Create a cylinder. Increase rotation segments. Nice. Inset just a bit. Select this ring and divide. Bevel. And you can play with these settings. I'm happy with something like this. And then just optimize to remove these double edges. Nice. And for these tips we need to use UV of our object, and you can notice that after all our operations UV is broken. Here is the gaps between polygons and we need to fix it. It can be easily fixed by one command. Just select these edges, press UJ, and here's UV pillar command. Just left click and drag. Alright. And now our UV is fixed. Nice. Then just select this loop, disconnect, select second one, press points with Ctrl and optimize. Okay, we disconnected our ring here. Now we can create displacer, deformer. Go to the shading, set gradient, go to the object and change direction to planar orientation plus Y. Nice. And now we can use cloner. It's almost done, but you can notice that here our loops is almost parallel to the ground, and they need to be something like here. To fix this, go to displacer, shading, gradient, and just change gradient interpolation to linear. Okay, and that's all. So we can put it in the connect. Nice. Then just oh no. Cut unnecessary polygons, and that's all. You can model everything you want then. Something like this. The only thing you can need to clean this. And at the bottom. So that's all. Thank you for watching and bye.